Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like this video and hit that red subscribe button. Your support would be greatly appreciated. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. If you're new to the channel, guys, like I said, do not forget to like this video. And just a quick disclaimer for you guys, anything on this channel is not financial advice. So please do your own due diligence and research before investing into cryptocurrencies. Now, if you are looking at the overall market cap, we're currently sitting at $983 billion. We're up 1.8% in the last 24 hours. So give yourself a pat on the back. We're finally seeing some sort of green. Just a joke, guys. Nothing to be getting super excited about right now because Bitcoin is still not looking too well. But, BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 38.2%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, as I have mentioned, in the last 24 hours, we are starting to see some sort of relief within the markets. You guys can see in the last 24 hours, seeing some sort of green within the board, and we will definitely take that. But as I mentioned, and nothing to be getting super excited about right now. But today, guys, I want to look further into a project that I absolutely love, and that's none other than Polygon Matic. All right, so my Matic family, you guys know how special you guys are to me. So, I'm just bringing you guys the video. Before I begin, just want to say thank you so much for all the support that you guys have been showing me since the absolute day one. And, your support really does mean a lot. So looking at Polygon Matic's price right now, it is currently trading at 81.5 cents. We're up 5.4% in the last 24 hours in USD, comparative. Also up 2.9% in Bitcoin comparative and 2.2% in Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Polygon's current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 14 spots, something definitely nice to see. Market cap is currently sitting at $6 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $344.6 million. Now, if we are zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we are not seeing some very, very exciting things happening. But let's not forget, that is across the board. It's just not Polygon. This is happening within the board. But, if we're looking at the last 14 days, it is up 6.1%. And most importantly, in the last 1 week, we're up about 8%. And, a lot of people tend to forget, Crypto ZX, Polygon has gone down quite a bit, like about 72% from all-time highs, which was 9 months ago. But let's not forget, guys, if we look at all-time lows, which was back on May 10th, even the 2020 price, we're up thousands of percent since then. So we need to look at the bigger picture, what they are developing, how they're innovating, how they're growing. And Polygon is one of these projects that is going to shape the cryptocurrency, future. And I've said this since the absolute beginning. And, so far, everything is going as planned. And if they continue developing the way they are doing, sky's the limit for a project like Matic. But now, let's get into the exciting stuff that we all are here for, the price. What is happening? What is happening with the price? So right now, in front of you guys, this is the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, things are looking very, very complicated. What is going on, Crypto ZX? It's just a bunch of candles, going up and down. What exactly is going on? Are we going to see a breakout? Are we going to see a rejection? What is going on? I am confused. I get you guys. I totally get you guys. But I just like bringing, the bigger time frame for you guys to really show you guys where, Matic currently stands compared to where it was in the past. So like you guys can see, Matic's all-time high was just December 27th, almost a year ago, at that $2.92. So, if I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, we have seen a Matic drop in price for about 72% from all-time highs. 72%. And, not bad. Not bad. Now, you may be coming in and saying, Crypto ZX, how is that not bad? How is that not bad? 72% from all-time highs. How is that not bad? I will definitely tell you that. Number one, cryptocurrencies. Welcome to the wild, wild west of cryptocurrencies. So, if you go look at the board right now, the cryptocurrency market ring, go look at any top 10 coin, majority of them are down 90, 92%, 93%. And we're seeing Matic only down about 72% from all-time highs. And that really shows how powerful this project really is. This project's strength literally shows just by that itself. And I do believe this is going to be one of the projects that is going to hit all-time highs way before majority of the cryptocurrencies are going to revisit all-time highs. And again, majority of them are not going to visit all-time highs. There's a lot of competition coming in on a daily basis. There's new projects coming in, and a lot of competitive advantage with one another. But projects like Matic, that are really solving a unique problem, Ethereum scalability, and has its own blockchain, and developing and innovating, solving real world issues. These are the projects that are going to innovate and shape the blockchain space. And the price itself shows why people are excited. And not only that, look at the big partnerships that they have been having. So now, put your worry aside. I have brought in for you guys simpler chart to look at. A simpler chart so you guys can get a better picture as to what is going on. So as you guys can see, after this major downfall we had seen since Matic's price was back in the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement back on April 22nd, we did see a major price drop of about 80% just from then. 80% drop. And a lot of panic was created within this time frame. But if you were accumulating some Matic around this June 18th mark, which was at the 31 cents mark, again, give yourself a pat on the back, because if you picked up some Matic around here, guys, you are already up. Let's give you guys the exact number. So you guys are already up about 159%. 159% gains if you are picking up around here. And do we really see the price of Matic going back down to those levels? I highly doubt it, guys. I highly doubt it. It's not out of the woods. I'm not saying it's definitely not a possibility, but it's a very, very big doubt, because that would require a big drop, would require BTC to drop back down to 13 to 10K marks for that to really happen. But guys, look at what has been happening with the price of Matic. We did see it a break above this level of resistance for the first time ever since May. We saw it happen, break out back in July of 17th. Try to break out of this level of resistance. So now I want you guys to focus right over here. You guys should see the importance of this major level of resistance. One time we try to break out of it. Twice, 3 times we actually broke out of it. Yay! But guess what? Major rejection. And now we are starting to see another upwards trend forming up. Is this the 4th time going to be the charm? If we do break out of this zone, guys, my direct target for Matic is going to be automatically at that $1.18 mark. Most importantly, at this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level at that $1.50 mark, which is a major level of resistance again for Matic. And if I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys right now, that would require a move of about 45% for it to reach that $1.18 mark, and 87% move for it to reach that $1.50 mark. Is that a possibility? Definitely could be a possibility if BTC stays stagnant right now, because BTC dominance, on the other hand, has been decreasing, which is going to benefit the altcoins tremendously, because altcoins, whenever BTC dominance index goes down, we do see money flow out of Bitcoin into altcoins, and altcoins tend to rally, and we could see that potentially happen. But BTC needs to, stay stagnant, or most importantly, start heading back above this level of resistance at the 22K mark. If you guys are a follower on my channel, you guys already know how important at this level is for myself. So I do need to see the price of BTC above there for me to really be excited for the overall market. But right now we are not in the best territories. But long-term perspective, guys, as I have mentioned for you guys, for Matic, the sky's the limit for this project, and I do see this project in the next coming bull cycle above $10, because the last bull cycle we did see it reach $3, and I could realistically see Matic in the next bull cycle reach around $10 realistically. It could go even higher, like absolutely insane. This is cryptocurrencies again, guys. You never forget that. We could see that happen as well. And we could also see it stay around $5 to $6, but I am very optimistic that Matic is going to hit $10 in the next bull cycle. And, people are going to be looking back at these prices and wishing they were picking some up. And $10 is a realistic price point. I'm not going to come here and say, we're going to be sitting at $100. Is that not a possibility? Definitely is a possibility for that to happen for a project like Matic. But realistically speaking, $10 is a definite possibility for this to happen. And remember, guys, remember, Polygon is a proof of stake consensus. 36.44% of its circulation supply is staked right now, and it's increasing. So if you do believe in this project, stake your Polygon tokens, guys. Stake your Polygon tokens, earn passive income, and make your holdings bigger as time goes by, because if you're not trading right now, this is the best case scenario. And remember, projects with high locked value, high staking, circulation supplies being staked, high percentage. Guess what that happens? Basic economic rules, supply and demand. When there's massive, demand coming in, and there's only a certain amount of percentage of, coins on the exchanges, guess what's going to happen to the price? Absolutely skyrocket. So patience is the key. One thing we need to keep in mind is Bitcoin, but other than that, everything is looking really, really nice. And I do target, Matic at this $1 resistance mark, and we will go from there. Let me know if you guys are enjoying these videos. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you guys want to see Matic daily updates. I will love you all. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX.